utility and their examples with picture.
Hi friends, today we are going to learn the types of utility. In the last lesson, we learned what is the utility, what is the features of the utility. In this lesson, we are going to focus various types of utility and the relationships. There are in general 6 types of utility. First is form utility, second is time utility, third is knowledge utility, fourth is possession utility, fifth is place utility, and sixth is service utility. First, we are going to focus on form utility. The form utility is created or developed due to the change in a shape or structure of an existing material or any object, then it is called form utility. For example, if you have a plastic sheet, and from that plastic sheet if you prepare some toys, some articles like chair, table, etc., then the chair, toys is have some utility, so is known as form utility. Second is the time utility. The time utility means what? When the utility of that commodity increase with a change of its a time, that is called time utility. For example, today you all know the phase is going on of COVID-19 situation. In this situation, the blood bank and the plasma are very important one. So the need of blood and their prices is on higher level due to the time utility, because in that blood, as per the time, it's a important one. Second thing is that some things are there, as per the time their utility increases. For example, in rainy season, umbrella, you can take of example umbrella. As per the time of rainy season, the importance of umbrella is increases, so there is a time utility for, we can say, umbrella. The third point is what? The knowledge utility. Knowledge utility means what? When a consumer acquires knowledge about a particular product, particular thing, or from a particular material, then it is called a knowledge utility. Now you all know friends, in this today's online session, everyone have the laptop, tab, mobile, and everyone gets the different type of varied knowledge from utilizing this laptop, tab, and phone. So we can say mobile phone, tab, laptop, that provide us a knowledge utility. The fourth one is possession utility. Possession utility means what? When a ownership of a good, when a ownership of a good transfer from one person to the another person, then it's called the possession utility. I repeat it here again. The possession of goods. Goods are transferred from A to B. That is called the possession utility. For example, suppose a fruit seller selling his fruit, then A is suppose a fruit seller, a goods seller, and he sell his goods to B1. That means that fruit's ownership is now of B1. So in possession utility means where the ownership of the goods is transferred from one person to another one. Second thing is what? When you purchase umbrella books from the market from X person, then when you're going to purchase the umbrella books from the market from X person, that means the X person selling that good to you, that means that goods have the possession utility transfer to X to you. Okay, the place utility. The place utility means when the commodity's utility increases due to the change its place. Change its place means, suppose for example the woolen clothes. Here in Maharashtra most probably there is water. We can say summer season is going on in Maharashtra, then there is less utility of woolen clothes compared to the Jammu Kashmir. Okay, so the place utility of woolen clothes is higher in Jammu Kashmir, not in Maharashtra, particularly in summer season. Then the we can say the watermelon also have the very important in summer season. Watermelon have lots of utility, but in we can say in winter, in rainy season, it's not the what excess demand. So the place utility means as per the place the utility increase or decrease, so it is called the place utility. Another one example we can take, suppose in Maharashtra in summer season mango is like everyone and they utilize in different manner, but from the place point of view, if it goes to the Switzerland, America, then the place utility will be decrease one compared to the Maharashtra. Then service utility arise when the personal services are rendered by various professions, means various professionals are there in a society, they provide their knowledge as per their professions, so it is called the service utility. For example, doctors, teachers, lawyer, pot makers, goldsmith, etc. From these above 6 types of utility, there are two more utility types, that is total utility and the marginal utility. Total utility derived from the aggregate units or the total units from a consumer, that is called a total utility. Marginal utility, it's referred to the when one additional utility derived from the consumer, that is called marginal utility. We are going to see the relationship between the total utility and the marginal utility. Total utility means we can say summation of all marginal utility. Total utility in another way, another formula we can express like mu1 plus mu2 means marginal utility of 1 plus marginal utility of second unit, marginal utility of third unit, and such like marginal utility of number of units. In another one, mun means marginal utility of particular commodity is equal to total utility of n minus total utility in bracket n minus 1. That we are going to understand now. What is exact relationship between the total utility and the marginal utility? So TU means what? The total utility. MU means what? The marginal utility. TUN means total utility of n level, means particular X commodity level. TU in bracket total means total utility in bracket n minus 1 means total utility at previous level taken by a particular consumer. Okay, so what is exact relationship of total utility and marginal utility, that we are going to see. When the first level of unit, when the consumer take, that time the total utility and the marginal utility is the same one. For example, if a person who works harder and then he is very hungry, that time the what the X good he consumed, was the commodity he consumed or he ate, that time the first unit of that consumption gives him total utility and marginal utility equal 1. When he add the additional unit of that particular product for consumption, that time total utility maybe increases, but the same time marginal utility is on decreases or going down. When he ate third unit from that commodity, from that good, then total utility on highest level but marginal utility on the 0. When that consumer ate the fourth level, that time total utility going to be decreases and marginal utility is becoming negative. With help of this formula or with help of this diagram, you can understand when on this OX axis we count units of commodity X, on OY axis we count total utility and marginal utility. As or when any consumer consumes the various good, here this is what the hypothetical concept, so some other things put constant. So here the consumer going to eat that particular good, that time his total utility here going to be increases, and in particular way he particular time he after that decreases. At the same time, at the particular point when the total utility and the marginal utility are the same one, later on marginal utility going to be decreases and it goes on diminishing level. With help of the numbers we can check it. मतलब कि क्या फ्रेंड्स, कि जब कोई भी इंसान, कोई भी आदमी अगर कोई चीज़ का इस्तेमाल करता है, कंज्यूम करता है, तो व्हाट इज द स्टेट ऑफ हिज और हर माइंड, उसकी रिएक्शन कैसे होती है, वो किस तरह से कंज्यूम करता है, वो किस हद तक वो चीज़ यूटिलाइज कर सकता है, इससे हम डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं हिज और हर डिमांड एंड द प्राइस रेशो. From that point of view, we need to understand the relationship between the total utility and the marginal utility. You can see here some numerical data I present here. Here in first column I put the unit of X, means commodity X. Here in second column I put the total utility number, and in third column I put what the marginal utility number. So in the first stage, you can see in the first stage total utility and the marginal utility both are the same one. When the consumer consumes second unit, that time total utility increases but marginal utility decreases. At the third point, when the consumer consumes, the total utility also increases at a particular point but marginal utility decreases. Here you can see from this point of view it increases, later on total utility decreases. Here is the same one, but later on it is decreases one, marginal utility decreases more. So when the consumer consumes the fourth unit, his marginal utility increases, but his total utility here increases but marginal utility decreases. As he consumes the fifth one, the total utility is the same one but the marginal utility will be the 0. And as he consumes the last unit of that goods, the total utility also decreases and marginal utility of that product going to be negative. ओके ये कब होता है? जब कोई, आप एग्जांपल ले लो, अब बहुत कोई बच्चा है, बहुत भाग दौड़ के आया है और उसको हमने जब एक पानी का ग्लास पीने के लिए कहा तो उसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट टोटल यूटिलिटी एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी सेम थी, लेकिन जब उसको मैंने सेकेंड ग्लास पानी पीने के लिए कहा तो टोटल यूटिलिटी से उसको सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला, 1 एडिशनल यूनिट ऐड करने से उसका सेटिस्फैक्शन बढ़ा, लेकिन मार्जिनल सेटिस्फैक्शन या यूटिलिटी वो क्या हो गई? कम हो गई। वैसे ही मैं उस बच्चे का अगर थर्ड फोर्थ कंटिन्यूसली अगर पानी देती गई तो क्या हो जाएगा? एक तरफ उसका टोटल सेटिस्फैक्शन बढ़ रहा है लेकिन दूसरी तरफ मार्जिनल सेटिस्फैक्शन कम हो रहा है। एट द फिफ्थ ग्लास, 6 ग्लास क्या होगा? उसका कंजम्पशन लेवल फिनिश हो जाएगा, उसकी वो पानी पीने की कैपेसिटी खत्म हो जाएगी एंड आफ्टर दैट वो पानी उतना पी ही नहीं पाएगा। ठीक है, सो विथ हेल्प ऑफ दिस ग्राफ we analyze this. On this OX axis we measure units of commodity X. On OY axis we measure of total utility and marginal utility. We took here the distance on OX axis. On OX axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit and OY axis is equal to 4 centimeter is equal to 1 total utility and marginal utility. This graph this numerical data we present here with help of the graph. Look here, when the first point is there, his total utility is the 10th one. This we count here the total utility. Here we count this one the total utility and this we count what the marginal utility. With help of this numerical data you can see on the first unit his what total utility increases 10, at the same time marginal utility भी 10 है, बट वो सेकेंड यूनिट लेता है तब टोटल यूटिलिटी 16 है और मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी यहाँ पे 6 थे। व्हेन थर्ड यूनिट लेता है दैट टाइम टोटल यूटिलिटी क्या है? 20 है, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी 4 है। वो फोर्थ यूनिट लेता है तब टोटल यूटिलिटी कितना है? 22 है, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी 4 है। फिफ्थ यूनिट लेता है तब टोटल यूटिलिटी कितना है? द सेम 22 है, लेकिन मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कितनी है? 0 बन चुकी है। द लास्ट वन एडिशनल यूनिट व्हेन वो कंज्यूम करता है दैट टाइम टोटल यूटिलिटी क्या हो जाती है? डिक्रीज हो जाती है इन पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी उस समय क्या हो जाती है? निगेटिव हो जाती है। सो इन दिस वे देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप ऑफ total utility and a marginal utility. This shows us till which point the consumer will satisfy or utilize the thing when the additional units from a given stock given to the consumer. This will show us the effects of the total utility, marginal utility on the consumer demand side, on the consumer purchasing side, and the same it's important to from the business point of view that to understand the entrepreneur business person how until what level the consumer can purchase the things from the business person or the entrepreneur. So that both point of view this total utility and marginal utility is very important one. It is totally based on hypothetical concept. As you all know, economics is a social science, though it is a science one, so we need to check it with help of graph and numerical data, but at the same time it is a social science, so we need to take some things on assumption level, hypothetical level. Okay, in the next point we are going to see the assumption of law of diminishing marginal utility on what is the diminishing marginal utility. Till then, bye. We will meet in our next topic. Thank you.